I'm probably gonna have to edit out the beginning anyway, because welcome to our first video. And yeah,
32 seconds.
Thanks for the warning. So if you aren't following our page already, it's Rustic Chic Country Girl. And it's actually not just me, there's a team of us. There's my good friend Genevieve, who is constantly bringing new ideas and new projects to us. Some of those we're going to be doing in 2019. It's a long list. We'll see how many we can actually get done. The other member of our team is Eli, who is about to be fired as cameraman. And Eli does everything from leather work to welding to build. He's also sometimes the delivery man. So you've probably met me if you've bought something from us, because I do a lot of the delivery myself, but if it's a big piece, you've probably met myself and Eli. Behind me, we wanted to do a faux fireplace. So that was fun. And we reframed everything. We went down to the studs. In fact, it was open to the outside for about a week while we figured out framing. When we got in there, it turned out the old storm windows were floating in midair. There was no supports underneath of them. And I don't do anything halfway. I refuse to put crap together. But for something like windows with no support, obviously that needed to be addressed. We actually reframed the entire wall behind me, which I'll show you.
Said don't count.
You're supposed to tell me. I'm going to be... So if you follow my page... Hi, this is Jen with Rustic Chic Country Girl. I don't know that I'm the best spokesperson for these videos. Are you ready?
It's been going.
I hate you.